How's it going today?
It's good. It's Cinco de Mayo.
Yes, happy Cinco de Mayo. Habla español?
No.
No. Okay. Well, we're gonna eat
What are you
some.
making?
I am making tacos. I'm gonna make your your basic flatline taco. The reason being is because kids are picky eaters, and so
I'm a
um,
picky eater.
you're a picky eater.
I don't like spicy.
You don't like spicy,
And I see
so
that jalapeno right there.
first of all, it's not a jalapeno. It's a serrano.
Oh, it's a.
It's a serrano.
And what is a serrano?
It's spicier than a jalapeno.
Well, then I'm never touching that.
You don't have to touch it, but I'm just going to put this in the guacamole that I'm going to make. But first of all, I'm going to get my oil heated in my pan to saute my onions and peppers for my taco meat. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut up this serrano.
Every time I think about guacamole, I think about a sewer
Well, don't stop thinking about guacamole
or
then.
boogers.
Ew.
It's green.
Excuse me, but that's not guacamole. I'm gonna get my avocado mashed, and it looks like my oil is heated through. Now, don't try this at home by shoving a knife in and pulling the seed out because you can cut your hand. But I have been cutting for years, so I can do that. You don't try
I
this.
definitely can't do
No,
that.
don't do it. And you don't eat avocados anyways.
No.
So I got my peppers, some red pepper. And then I have some onion, and I want to saute this down just because it takes out the bite from the onion for those who don't eat onions, but it still have a good flavor. And this is a Vidalia onion that I chopped up, so you can go ahead and put that
That
away.
onion smells really strong.
It is strong, and that's why we're gonna saute it down. And then what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of salt, not too much salt because the taco seasoning has a lot of salt. But when you put salt as you're cooking, just a little bit, it will help break down the onions and the peppers in the pan before I put in the ground beef. This is Pico de Gallo. So this is store-bought Pico de Gallo because I didn't feel like making my own. I just wanted to make a quick dinner
And it's
tonight.
hot.
Yeah, it's spicy, and I added more serrano to make it more spicy. So I added that. So I'm gonna add lime juice. Yep, and the lime juice does what to the avocado?
Moisturizes it.
It does not moisturize it. It keeps it from going brown.
So why do people celebrate Cinco de Mayo?
That's a
I-
good question.
And a lot of people celebrate it, and they don't even know what they're celebrating.
They don't know what they're
They just know
celebrating.
that it's Cinco de Mayo, and so I'm just like, why do you think people celebrate Cinco
So they can drink, have margaritas, tequila, beer, Mexican
Speaking
beer.
of margarita, can we have one? Because, you know, I really need a cocktail right about now.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, we can't have any margaritas. Maybe later on.
And you know, Doug's a former bartender. So.
Okay, so now I have some garlic. So this is starting to heat up.
And we're gonna put that.
Yep. Well, I'm gonna put my meat in now.
And you put the garlic in last,
Yeah, because why?
so it doesn't burn
Exactly, because burnt garlic tastes like what?
like
Ass.
like ass.
It tastes like beep. This is not a rated G thing that's going on in the kitchen. This
we're
is
PG.
PG-13.
No,
No, not PG. PG-13. PG is too young. We gotta say ass, damn, what the fuck, whatever.
Oh.
See? Can you watch?
It smells like taco.
I know, and I haven't even put the seasoning in. Isn't that amazing?
Maybe it's just because I'm thinking of taco.
Or maybe just because I know how to cook. How about that? And I know what I'm doing.
Could be an answer.
It could be an answer, or it is the answer.
That could be an
Could be. Oh, that's interesting. So, go ahead. I like to grate the garlic in there. Sprinkle this taco seasoning in, and then I'm
my
going.
finger?
No, sprinkle it in, and I'm going to go ahead and clean this off, because you know I can't stand a mess. All right, so what we'll do is this takes about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it should be ready to go. And then we'll be able to eat. Yep, so you can put it right on here to build your tacos.
We could save Patrick a trip to Taco Bell.
You sure can take Patrick to Taco Bell. You can send Patrick to the Diva's kitchen, but he's going to have to write the Diva a check because he likes to eat a lot. He's going to go eat me out of a house and home. Not today. So I'm making sure it's just warm and pliable on both sides. Then what I like to do to build the tacos is I like to take the cheese, put it at the bottom. Then I like to take the hot meat and put it on.
So the cheese melts.
Exactly. Yum. I know. It's going to be absolutely amazing.
A delicious experience.
Yep, a delicious experience. Now you can put lettuce, tomato, all that stuff. Since you do not eat guacamole, I'm just going to put some rice on yours. And this is some rice that I made. And I will have a recipe for this rice coming soon. So I want you to go ahead and taste this and you tell me what you think. This is a super, super simple, super quick. What do you think? It's delicious. It's good.
It's real good.
Mm-hmm. It's seasoned to perfection, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna finish serving this up, and we're gonna have dinner. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Mm-hmm. As you stuff in your face, not even paying attention to anything. Good. I'm glad it's good.